I'm going to show you how to cash out on Binance, and the first option is to open up Binance, and in the search bar here you want to type withdraw like that and click on the withdraw fiat option, and it should take you to your Binance wallet here. Click on withdraw fiat again under the functions, and here it should take you to the withdraw page. And if you have any fiat balance in your wallet, you should be able to withdraw it to your bank, and it takes up to 5 days and it costs $25 fee per transfer. Click on continue, and it should basically prompt you to enter your banking details such as the name, account number, SWIFT code, country, and the address of the beneficiary. And then you want to click on continue, complete the security checks, and confirm the withdrawal or the cash out. And that's it. Now the second way to withdraw, you want to go back to the Binance homepage, and you want to click on the P2P service. And if you're holding a crypto such as USDT or whatever crypto you're holding, you can basically create a sell order where people can pay you real money to buy your crypto off of you. So for example, you can list your entire crypto balance. For example, you can list $1,000 on USDT for sale, and you can accept bank transfer, Skrill, money bookers transfer, Neteller, or any option that you might need the money on and is supported by Binance. And you can see here there's multiple options available. And to do that, you want to simply click on the ads button here and create an ad to sell your crypto, and then just publish the ad and it should go live. And then you will receive a notification when somebody wants to buy, and then you can deal with them and complete the order. Now keep in mind that you will be able to create orders only if you have traded in P2P service within the last month. Otherwise, you might have to buy again using the P2P to be able to sell. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you on the next one.